How to download TikTok on your laptop or PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can download and install TikTok on your laptop or your PC. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up your Microsoft Store. So simply search for your Microsoft Store on your search bar, and there you'll find it. Tap on it to open it up. After you open up your Microsoft Store, on the top you'll find the search bar. Tap on it and simply type in TikTok. After you type that in and hit enter, you'll find the TikTok option. You'll find TikTok right here. Tap on it and open it up. After you open it up, you'll find the install button right here. All you have to do is tap on install. After you tap on install, it will start getting ready and basically start downloading. Depending on your internet speed and your device as well, it might take some time, so just wait for it to get downloaded. After the file gets downloaded, after the TikTok app gets downloaded, you can then open it up and log in like you usually do and then start using TikTok. And that's basically how you do it, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.